All right, y'all, it's coming up on the holidays. Christmas is right around the corner. What kind of festive flavors can we make this go around?
I'll pick. Maybe like a white chocolate peppermint?
White chocolate peppermint, that would be pretty good.
Wait a minute. Guys, we've already done this.
Oh, yeah. All right, babe, what are you thinking for new flavor launches? What we got in the pipeline?
I'm thinking white chocolate peppermint. Sounds so good.
That does sound delicious, but I've been in contact with the ingredient suppliers. It's holiday season already, peak season's upon us. Probably not gonna be able to source the ingredients in time.
Really? Fine.
Let's shoot for next year, okay?
Okay.
Deal?
Deal.
All right, babe, it's back to the holiday season. What are we thinking for new flavor launches?
Well, last year you told me that this year we can make a white chocolate peppermint.
Well, I just happen to have a surprise for you. Check it out, we got mint chocolate.
Oh. Well, there is a difference between mint chocolate and white chocolate peppermint.
So I messed up.
Well, that sounds good too, but there's just something so special about the white chocolate peppermint around Christmas time.
All right, well, let's launch this, see how it goes, and we'll do white chocolate peppermint next year.
Fine.
All right, babe, holiday season's here again. How you doing, Reggie? What we got planned for holiday flavors, seasonal launches? What are you thinking?
White chocolate peppermint. So you told me the last 2 years we could do it, and we're gonna do it this year.
I had a feeling you'd say that. Listen, I just got done finishing my competition prep. I got the pro card, I feel really good about it, but I haven't had a chance to hunt at all this year. The freezer's empty. I think I'm just gonna take this time and focus on the hunting. I'll be hunting all next week. Let's just push that back one more year, and we'll do white chocolate peppermint next year.
Whatever.
That work for you, Reggie? You don't like it either. All right, next year. Deal.
Deal.
Oh! Well, that's not very nice at all. Tell you what, Josiah's gonna take a break in a few minutes. You know what to do. Chocolate mint is a great flavor. Everybody loves it. They can do that one next. Good man. Merry Christmas.